What is going on, guys? My name is Pakazak, and today we're gonna do another make a sound. Um, make a sound. So I'm gonna do Sytrus, and let's see what we can come up with today. All right, get this to default. Oop. There we go. What do I want to do? Okay, so let's. Let's do a little volume envelope here. Make it so it kind of does that sort of thing, that plucky business. Skew it. Ooh, I got an idea. So I'm going to do a pitch envelope, but I'm gonna make like a little doodad thing, a little so it's gonna go rise up in pitch pretty quickly, but it's gonna sound like a floop. I'm just gonna call it a floop because I don't know what else to call it. Yeah, there we go. Alright, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna turn down my monitor just in case you hear too much of an echo. It's too low. Whoops. Do a little unison here. I don't know if I even want unison, honestly. Alright, let's just put this in a thing here. I mean, this is pretty much, I think I'm going to go with this one for today. It's just kind of neat. That looks cool. Do I want to do this? I don't know. Oops. It's a low cut here. I don't know. I'm just messing around, but that's pretty much what I'm going to stick with today. But yeah, let me know if you enjoyed. Let me know if you learned something. And I hope you guys learned something. Hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you have any like video topics you'd like me to talk about. And camera's falling there. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.